An object 5 cm in size is placed at 10 cm in front of a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find position, nature and size of the image. We will find position, nature and size of the image. So in first step, you just write the given value from the question. Given 5 cm in size means this is the height of the object. Height of the object given 5 cm is placed at 10 cm in front of a convex mirror. So u, this is object distance. This is object distance u given in question 10 cm. So write here 10 cm of focal length 15 cm. So focal length f equal to 15 cm. Find position. Position means v value. This we will find. Nature, if v value, if I'll get positive answer, then I'll say the nature of the image is virtual. If I'll get v value negative answer, then I'll say the nature of the image is real. And size of the image means h dash value also I will find from this question. Now after writing the given value, use the sign convention rule for convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. Here h value always positive, u value always negative, and f value also always positive. Use mirror formula now. Using mirror formula. As we know, mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Now you place the value. F means 15, so write here 15 equal to 1 by v value I will find now, plus u means 10, so write here 10, but here we have minus sign, don't forget to use this minus sign. Now in next step, 1 by 15 you write as it is. Now 1 by minus 10 you bring left hand side, and if I'll bring 1 by minus 10 left hand side, minus will change into plus. 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v. Now you take LCM 15 and 10. If I'll take LCM of 15 and 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. Do multiply. 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30. So LCM is 30. Check the denominator now. 15 2 is 30, so 2 1 is 2. Plus 10 3 is 30, so 3 1 is 3. So right here 3 equal to 1 by v. 2 plus 3 is 5, so right here 5 by 30 equal to 1 by v. Now I'll bring this 1 by v left hand side. So when you will interchange the value, no need to write the minus sign. 5 by 30, right, as it is. So in next step, I need v value, so do reciprocal. V by 1, so in denominator no need to write 1, v equal to 30 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. V means position of the image, so v equal to 6 centimeter. So image distance v equal to 6 centimeter, or position of the image is 6 centimeter. As I told you before also, if v value positive answer, then I'll say the nature of the image is virtual. If negative answer, then I'll say the nature of the image is real. But here I have got positive, means nature of the image is virtual. So this line I'll write at last. First I will find the value of h dash, means size of the image. And as we know, magnification formula m equal to h dash by h equal to minus v by u. Now I need the value of h dash, so you compare this formula and this formula. So h dash equal to minus v by u. If you take this h right hand side, then this will become multiply h. So h dash equal to minus v value I have got here 6, so write here 6 by u means minus 10, so don't forget to write minus 10 into h means 5, so write here 5. So minus minus cancel, 6 5s are 30 by 10. So this is the value of h dash. Now you cancel, 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. Means h dash equal to 3 centimeter. Means size of the image or height of the image is 3 centimeter. Now you write the nature. Therefore, nature of image is virtual. And we know virtual images are always erect. So write nature of the image is virtual and erect. Finally, we have completed the answer for this question.